right, I just finished creating my logo for my shoe. And the next part of the activity is the fact that you have to create a multi-view drawing. Some of you may have not created a multi-view drawing ever, while others of you have done it on other software. So I just want to do a quick little review of how you do it on OnShape. One of the most important things when you're doing a multi-view is you have to pick and select the correct front view. In other softwares, you can actually go in here and you can right click and like change your front view. Unfortunately, for some reason with OnShape, that is not doable, or at least I haven't figured out how to do it. So notice that our best front view is the one that shows you the longest side, the most detail, and gives you the best overall shape of an object. So in our case, the side of the shoe is really the best front view when we're doing a multi-view. And that's going to be important here in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and to order to do this, I'm going to go down here at the bottom. I'm going to click the plus button. And I want to go to create a drawing. So this is called a drawing file. And we're going to make sure we just use a template. It doesn't really matter which one. I just clicked on ANSI and picked the inch one. Click OK. It's going to upload you a basic drawing file. Now when mine uploads, it doesn't give me the full assembly. It just gives me all the different parts. So what I had to do is click here. It says Part Studio. And then there's my shoe. So I can actually get a picture of my shoe. So notice when it pops in like this, it's going to give me the view of my shoe from the front. Well, that's not the view I want. I actually want the view from the right side. And that's going to be my best front view. And then above it's going to be my top view. And with this, it doesn't let you do the top, front, right all together. So what I want you to do is go up here and click again where it says projected view. Sorry, you have to click the box first. And then you can click over here to your right and it will give you the back of the shoe in this case. And it should have given me my isometric as well. Sorry about that. So what we can do, click here is insert view at the top, click on it, and I can click exactly what view I want to do. So I want to do the isometric view. I'm going to put it up here at the top. Now we have a nice isometric view. The next part for doing dimensioning is you want to make sure you place dimensions. So dimension tools here at the top, just click on it. And you can click like the furthest edges and get the overall width. You can do the furthest heights, overall height. And then we can also get the overall depth, the widest point. If you hit escape, it'll get you out of like the tool that you're in. And then it also gives me a chance if I need to edit anything. I'm not sure why mine are not centered. There we go. It's better. I just clicked on it and I just moved my little arrows so that this is grabbing that piece and moving it back to the middle where it should actually belong. Okay. And then you would go in and put your dimensions for other things, just so you have some dimensions showing that you understand what that means. One of the other things, notice how close these two are. If I want to move, let's say my original, I can grab it and drag it. If I do that, I need to make sure when I did the projection that came off of there so that that's going to drag with it. Okay, that's a quick version of how to do a multi-view.